Hello, all you lovely people on the internet. I'm Luckle104, and welcome back to Terraria. Now, I know that I started two new series. I knew I started a couple Let's Plays. One is Terraria, which I'm playing right now, and the other Unturned. I played 4 episodes in a row, and now I'm just kind of going. No, now I'm just kind of going all over the place now. So right now, we're going back in the cave. Wow! Okay, done it. Ow. Ow. I need, doctor, I need healing. Okay. What the? It's not raining in here! Haha, you're stuck. I hate doing this. Ouch. So there's nothing down here. I don't want to die. Holy crap. Wee. Ropes. Warcraft Hunter Potion. Oh, gosh. Yeah. Why am I hearing bats? I don't want to hear bats. What's this? It's like a mining rail? Mine track? Ah! Oh, jeez, that scared me. I don't really want to go down there. Got a lot of things. Ah! Wormsy worms! It's a wormsy worm. I can tell. When it gets the faster it is, the more closer he is to me. Holy crap. Okay, sorry about that. Something happened on my computer. Pop-ups, am I right? Dang it! I dropped so much! Oh, man. How much do we have now? I have 4. I still have some gold coins, but I'm getting back in there. No crap. I've done a couple episodes exploring this cave, and it's ridiculously hard kind of weaponry, actually. I mean, I mean what I'm using right now. I have no armor, and I'm going really deep into a cave. But I don't care. How many zombies have wandered into this cave? There we go. Seriously, what is that noise? That weird, like that? Yeah, that. Oh, it's a bat. Holy crap! I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of this cave. Depositing my goods. Oh, come on. Don't let me die here. Bye, slimes. Holy crap, how many slimes are there? Okay. Whew. Jeez. Okay. Just gotta... Okay. Just gotta get out of here. Pausing my goods. And again, get the heck out of here. Come on, please. I'm literally begging to get out of this place. Okay, now I can see. Seriously, what was that noise? I think it was that weird fly thing that I saw. Okay. Just getting out, getting out, getting out, getting out. Come on. Okay. Okay. Well, I thought I had chests here, but I'll get those in the next episode. So goodbye, all you lovely people on the internet.